Hey guys, Go making more videos again. Today guys, we're gonna be installing one of the easiest backup cameras, period. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so here's the actual box itself. It is a extremely nice packaging, Apple-like right here, guys. It is from AUTO-VOX. You guys already know I've done videos with AUTO-VOX in the past before, and they are really good when it comes to backup cameras. They've kind of perfected it by now, and now they just went a step further with their wireless system. Let's see what's in the box. And you guys already know me. This is all plug and play. Magnetic cover, always a good sign of a good product. And we're immediately greeted with some literature right here. And we're gonna take this out. Some more literature on the back as well to get into detail. But guys, this is so easy. You will not require this. Like seriously. Okay, so first thing first, you have the actual monitor right here. Let's put this down to the side. Next, you have the actual solar powered camera right here. And you can see there's a solar panel right there. And the camera is up there. Mounting brackets. This is gonna be so easy, guys. Antenna and button and accessory package right here. And in the accessory package, you have your power cable to power the monitor, a cable right here just in case if you require to charge the solar powered camera, and last but not least, the mounting for the monitor. Okay, so we have everything laid out right here. Let's go actually install it, and I'll show you how easy this is. Okay, so you have your license plate right here. You're gonna need your screwdriver. In this case, I'm gonna pry out these little tops right here. Next up, we're going to take off these two screws right here. Now, obviously, guys, I do have a backup camera right here. I know a lot of people are going to ask me, why am I doing this to my vehicle if I already have a backup camera right here? I'm doing this for demonstration purposes, guys. Thank you for everyone else that already understood that. I get that question asked way too often than not. Let's continue. We're going to take the screwdriver and unscrew these bad boys. Oh. Slowly take these guys out, and let's put this down to the side. Let's just clean this off real quickly using Shine Armor. Not bad, doesn't have to be perfect, it's gonna get covered anyways. Then we're gonna get the solar power camera, slide the license plate on like so. Look at that, super easy, guys. It already looks awesome, and it's not even on the car, guys. Put the screws back in, and just like that, you're almost done installing a backup camera on your vehicle. Make sure it's on there securely, everything is good. You can even angle this guy and tighten it up to wherever you want to, but I just wanted to show you how simple that was. It literally took me 2 minutes while recording. I know it will take you like 30 seconds without recording. Screw it in as tight as you want. Put your little, I'm gonna put my little ornamental covers back on as well. And you're done. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, was the hard part. Let's get to the even easier part. Real quick before I do that, man, that just looks so beautiful. Look at that. Matches really well with your vehicle, and it just looks great. Look at that. Okay, in the vehicle, we have the monitor right here, and we're going to basically plug it in. You know, this is, like I said, plug and play. We're going to line this up, plug this guy in right here, and then plug and play this guy into your 12-volt power socket, cigarette lighter, whatever you want to call it. Make sure you screw this antenna on as well on top. And here's the actual button right here. I showed you in the beginning. It has 3M tape on the bottom so that you can stick this pretty much wherever you want to. And whenever you press this button, the screen turns on, shows you the backup camera in action. It's okay, so let's power this bad boy on and show you how it looks. Okay, so I'm doing a voiceover since my microphone quality on this part was not how I liked it. Nevertheless, there you have it. The system turns on in about 2 seconds of turning on your vehicle. Now, to preface everything, my Canon 80D does not do justice in terms of showcasing the quality of the monitor and backup camera. With that being said, the quality is comparable to any modern day backup camera from, you know, Honda Accord, Toyota Camry, Highlander, Genesis. So it's actually good and definitely gets the job done. Color is great, sharpness is on point, and you have a nice wide angle to see everything. There's also zero lag when it comes to the wireless feature. It just works, and quite frankly, works well. I also took the liberty to do some low light testing, and it's completely normal and comparable to how any other backup camera performs in the dark. AUTO-VOX also claims that it has 100% no interference with other devices, Bluetooth, you know, etc. This was definitely a problem with wireless systems in the past, and I'm glad that AUTO-VOX took the initiative to fix this issue. Now, there are buttons on the side of the monitor. However, due to the no setup plug and play nature of the camera, you will never have to touch them. Remember that you also have a mount on the back to stick it to pretty much anywhere you like, not just glass, due to the fact that this is a high quality sticky suction mount, not the cheap stuff that requires only glass smooth surfaces. So feel free to install this on your bumpy dashboard if you like. Lastly, the wireless button to activate the monitor and backup camera is, as expected, completely effortless and seamless. When going to reverse, push that button, the monitor turns on, and now you can back up with confidence and show off your next level parallel parking skills to your friends thanks to your new solar wireless backup camera. Alrighty guys, it's time for rating time. In terms of simplicity, ease of use, wireless, and plug and play, I gotta give this backup camera from AUTO-VOX a solid 10 out of 10. I mean, this thing has everything, no maintenance required, and not to mention it's also capable of night vision. This thing is seriously the best backup camera I've ever reviewed, hands down, period, done. If you do not have a backup camera in your vehicle, seriously consider this. The links are in the description below. I am loving it, and I know you will love it. Alrighty guys, that's pretty much for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase everything is gonna be in the description section of the video below. You guys already know it. That was seriously the easiest backup camera I've ever installed, and I don't know if there's any other easier backup camera than that, guys. Like it was just plug and play, easy, intuitive, connected, nothing to configure. What can you expect? Really good, awesome product. Look at the reviews on Amazon as well. Don't just look at my review. And I'm telling you, it is the easiest I've ever done. Trust me, I've done a lot. You guys already know it. But if you liked the video, make sure you smash that like button. Other than that, guys, can you just share saying thanks for watching and peace.